Hi, let's continue the third part of our video. Let's continue the lesson. This is the third part. Um, and let's discuss example number 4. So how about this one? So it's not, although pwede to ma-apply dari ang distributive, pero di na kayo siya practical no sa kataas niya. But for the sake of discussion, I will show you how distributive properties being applied here. And later, I will show the second method, just like we did in number 3, the much convenient way of multiplying this two expressions. So, first, ato sa ipakita, yun sa to pag-apply sa distributive. So, remember the distributive, so that is A times B plus C, or pwede ito dugang isa ka term, let's say D. So again, this is equal to A times B times A times C plus A times D. So dari atong buhaton kini i-consider nato ni siya as A. Alright, so this one is A right here. And this one is i-consider nato as separate terms. So what we're going to do is that kini gyud siya as A ato siya i-multiply diha, diha ug diha. And then let's simplify. Okay, so ito sa ipakita. So you have this one. So again, A times this one. So this expression times this. This is just the same as x squared plus 3k k squared plus 3k plus 5, then 2k squared. The next minus. So kani nga minus kay mo ni siya no. So this expression k squared plus 3k plus 5 multiplied 2k, right? And lastly, you have plus k squared plus 3k plus 5 times 1, alright? And then just, simplify. Okay, as you can see, kani siya nga term. Pwede ito ni ma-simplify by, applying the distributive again. So, by distributive, you have 2k squared times k squared. Again, 1 na diha, no? Ang iyahang coefficient, 1. So, you have 2 times 1, we have 2. Then, k squared times k squared, k raised to 4. Plus 6k cubed plus 10k squared. Then, there similarly, you have k cubed plus 3k squared plus 5k plus pag 1, klaro na daan. Pag 1 na siya, so klaro na. 1 times 1, of course 1, then copy the k squared. So ang answer 1k squared or k squared, alright? So plus 3k plus 5. Then simplifying further, tanaw na to ni siya, no? I-remove na to mga parenthesis. So pag minus, 'di ba, negative 1, so pwede nimo distribute na siya. Negative 1 gina siya diha. So may tabo kay 2k raised to 4 plus 6k cubed plus 10k squared minus k cubed minus 3k squared minus 5k plus pag plus ganin ni siya, pwede ni automatic ma-remove ni siya. So may mo na siyang k squared plus 3k plus 5. And then simplify further. So ang itatag na k raised to 4, wala man, no? So just simply copy 2k raised to 4. How about kaning k cube na ano? Pa sila, okay, kana silang duha ka term. So positive 6 minus 1. So we have plus 5k raised to 3. Then ang k squared, pila man ka k squared, k squared, k squared, k squared. So tulo ka terms, no? So positive 10, so 10 minus 3, okay, 7 plus 1, 8. Correct? So ang answer positive 8k squared. How about for k na lang? Okay. Kang k kay unsa raman? Kinira og kini, no? So duha ka terms. So negative 5 plus 3, ang answer ana negative 2. Then copy the k. Then how about the constant? For constant kay 5 lang, no? Yeah, so just copy. Walang silain. So plus 5. So I think di na siya ma-simplify, no? So mo na ni ang ato ang answer. Alright. So kapoy man kaayo ganing kuan, distributive. So ang gamito nato pareha sa number 3 para di kita malisdan. Itong nasa green na portion kaganihan, no? So buhaton na to, isa-isaw na tong term. Same gyapon dere. So buhaton na to kay I'm sorry. So buhaton na to kay kuan. Inato na to siya. So k squared plus 3k plus 5 times 2k squared minus k plus 1. So buhaton na to dere kada term ato i-multiply. Nya kanina pod na term. Nya kanina pod na term. So ana ang atong style, pareha ra siya dere, no? Para shortcut. Di na kita maging ani, no? Taas kay ni. Okay. At least we've showed how distributive property is being applied. Okay. So kini pila man siya. That is, so ito unahon na to, kini, no? Nya sunod kini, sunod kini. Alright, so k squared times 2k squared, ang answer kay 4. K, multiply man, so mag-add og exponent. So, I'm sorry, it should be 2. Right. Okay, 1 times 2, 2 man, 1 times 2. So, next is k squared times negative k. Ang answer na kay negative k raised to 3. Then, plus k squared. Sunod, plus 6k raised to 3 minus 3k squared plus 3k. Sunod sa 5 kay positive 10 k squared minus 5k then positive 5. Okay? So simplify 2k4 then sa 3 na pug ka ani kini og okay, kini og kini, no? Kanara. So negative 1 plus 6, so positive 5. So positive 5k raised to 3 for k squared, positive 1k squared minus 3 negative 2 plus 10, negative 2 plus 10, positive 8. Okay, so positive 8k squared. Then 4k, kani siya, no? So 3, positive 3 minus 5, negative 2. Negative 2k. Then when may lang constant, just copy the 5. So we've arrived at the same answer. So, same lang, no? So I suggest na gamiton na nato ni siya tong inana, no? Instead of using the distributive property mismo. Although makuha ba na itong answer? Pero let's use the more convenient way. Okay? So I hope nasabtan no ang pag-multiply. So just use the laws of exponent. So that would be all for the multiplication of polynomials. And for the last two parts of the video, we will discuss how to divide polynomials. So thank you very much and have a nice day.